In this video, I'm going to show you best free VPN service for your iPhone. It calls VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. I use it for about a couple of months and I like it because there is very simple interface to interact with that application. So here is the fastest location. I can tap on that. I can select location as I want, or I can just tap there and service will find the best and the fast location. I just tap here again to connect to the VPN service. So now to know that VPN is connected, you can look here at the top right corner. And here you see VPN site right there. Or you can go to settings, VPN, and now you see that is connected just beside the VPN. And to disconnect VPN, you can go here, tap there on disconnect, or you can go in app again, but here you have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds until application is loaded, and after that you can go in the same way right here and tap there to disconnect from VPN. So make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.